everyone. One of the main problems we are suffering from, especially entrepreneurs, because I'm coaching a lot of entrepreneurs, and their main struggle is time management. But this is not only entrepreneurs' problem, because right now a lot of employees are working from home and they are also suffering from that. Moms who are working from they have a lot of things to do during the day. They are struggling with time management and they feel their time is passing so fast and they are not being effective. I had this problem too. I talked in last video about the 3Ds and the distraction, but right now let me tell you a little bit what I did to manage my time in a better way. The first thing, John Maxwell says, don't start your day unless it's finished on paper. It's important to start your day with writing down, planning ahead everything you need to do during this day, even your breaks, even the naps, even the time that you are spent not productive, just watching TV or doing phone calls. You need to write it down on paper. The more you follow the planned day, the more you will be effective and you will know that you are being productive. Even in this case, you will be able to communicate with people around you, so they know that even though you are home, you are not available all the time. You are not available for them. They know there's a certain schedule, there's a certain procedure you need to follow and they need to follow too. Don't feel guilty, because this way you will teach the people around you to be more effective and to be more organized. And it's all the matter of decision. And when they know what to expect, they will understand and they will get used to it. So don't feel guilty. It's important for you and it's important for them too. Writing down what to do during the day is like you are creating your own boss. Let this agenda be your boss. Let this plan be your boss and stick to it. And believe me, and it happened with me before, if you give up 1 hour that was planned to work, you will mess the whole day, and it will be it will drag you to more randomness and to more non-productivity. So take care of every minute you are spending during the day, and please try your best to stick to your agenda. If you mess up one day, that's fine, but learn your lesson and be more productive. And it will be it will be hard the first couple of days, and then you will be used to it. And if you feel it's really hard to take this control, look for someone, for accountability buddy. Let this friend who will be accountable for your action to call you every night and discuss with you what you were planning during the day and what you achieved. People don't like to look like they didn't do what they have to do in front of others. So when you tell your friend, I will do this thing, and you didn't do it, you will feel really bad and you will be more productive the second day. So look for a friend, ask them to be accountable without any guilt or blame. Just small follow-up, small talk at the end of the day to revise what did you do and what you didn't do, and you will feel that was really effective. Don't leave your day to randomness, because in this case you won't be productive and you will live the life of mediocrity. So be productive, value every hour, and know 1 hour of extra work will make a lot of difference in the future. And I hope this video was valuable for you. Please share it for everyone who you know who is having this problem with time management, and I will post another video tomorrow. See you. Bye.